Lovely Gemini, thank you all so much for watching, guys. My lovely Gemini. So, let us see what is coming up for your general energies, Gemini, and then we will be moving on towards your love energies, Gemini. So, what is coming up for your general energies, Gemini? Let us find out, guys, what is coming up. For your general energies and for your love energies. Okay, so for your general energies, I can see here that with the King of Swords, you're putting away all those emotions aside, because those swords energy is mostly a fun oriented energy. It doesn't represent any emotions. If it was King of Cups, then I would have told that you would have been very emotional. So King of Swords is all about doing what's right, manifesting what's right, point to point conversations. It is not like a paragraph. You're not going to text a paragraph because you like this person. Even though you like them, you're just going to be like, okay. So that is how you are going to respond, and that is how you're going to be, whether it be with the people you love or whether it be with the people that you don't love or that you want to be with or you don't want to be with. So whatever the situation is, this is how you're going to be today, guys, Gemini. Okay, and this is how the situation is generally going to be also, is what I'm getting here, guys, Gemini. So I think like you've given up on this relationship with this person because you feel that's the right thing to do. You have finally given up. So they are just like, I don't know how to explain this energy, guys. They can be sad, but it's just more than this sad energy. They're scared that you would give up. They are just scared that you would give up, or they're scared that something you might not hold, you might lose hope on this connection. So they are scared that you don't love them. They're scared that you don't love them anymore. I don't know what to say. This person's really having some kind of fears that they need to work with before manifesting this connection, and maybe you know that. Maybe you know that this person's not mature enough like you are, or you know this is not the right time to be in this relationship, or you definitely feel like something is wrong because your intuition is telling you that something is wrong and you need to make it right. And that can be also a reason why you're wanting to change things, why you want to manifest this relationship with this person, why you want to like start fresh or manifest what you have to with this person. So that is one more energy that I'm getting here for you guys, my lovely Gemini today. But it's more like a scared energy. You're scared or this person's scared, I'm not sure, but just take it as it resonates. This person's scared that you don't love them. They're scared that you're seeing someone else. They're scared that you would leave them. They're scared that they're not good enough for you. They're scared that you saw someone better than them. I don't know. They're very, very insecure in the situation they're in, and they're having a lot of questions in their mind. They're scared with a lot of things, and it generally is like this person is very, very insecure, that they start doubting this connection and also you, because they're very insecure about this relationship. Okay, so I hope you got the energies, guys. This person's just scared that they would lose you, and that is like the worst fear. Their fear is to lose you, and they never want to face that situation again. They never want that to happen anymore again. They just love you, they care for you, they would do anything for you, and that is all they ever want. They don't want anything else. Okay, so the thought of losing you makes them feel really bad. It makes them feel insane, and they're even talking about this to people. They're talking about what is really going on. Like, I don't know, guys, this person's like talking too much about you, that they have too much in their mind. And recently I don't think this person spoke about you to anyone. They were not really vocal about their feelings, but right now this person, I don't know what happened to them. All of a sudden they are continuously talking about how much they care, how much they love, and how much they want to support you, your goals, your dreams, and whatnot. This person is just talking too much about you, and this can be disrupting you energetically. You can feel that someone is talking about you, or you can feel that someone is somewhat like manifesting you. You can feel this energy, because I see here that this person's talking about you, and generally I see also that you can feel this energy. But for some of you, this can also be like very awkward. You're not able to feel this energy, you're not able to understand this person, you're not able to see why they're doing this, what happened to them all of a sudden. So that can also be the case for some of you guys. Okay, so this is what I can see here for you guys, my lovely Gemini. And yes, this person's just scared that they would lose you. They're scared the fact that they would you would leave them, and that is all they think, that is all they're thinking, that is all they're feeling. And they don't really know what to do in a situation that doesn't involve you, because they just love you too much, and they don't know what they would do without you guys. They don't know where will they be without you. And yes, that is what I can see here, Leos. Gemini, this person does care too much for you, that they just cannot imagine a day without you. They cannot imagine a second without you. Okay, so that is what I can see here. And thank you all so much for watching, guys. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow, Gemini. Bye.